Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hope that you all will be in the best of health and iman. Today we are going to start our first lecture of mathematics for playgroup. So students, open your workbook with me. Firstly, mention the date on the top of your workbook on this line. And students, today we are going to learn about zero. What is this? This is zero. And what does it mean? Zero means nothing. First of all, I am going to tell you a story about Ali and a poor man, and the title of the story is Caring. Ali was having one chapati. He heard a poor man asking for food. Now, this one is Ali, and he has one chapati. While he was eating chapati, he heard a poor man asking for food. Shaitan does not want him to help the poor. अब अली इस चपाती को खाना चाहता था, लेकिन शैतान उसे ऐसा करने से रोक रहा था. उसके दिल में बार बार ऐसा ख्याल आ रहा था कि वो ऐसा ना करे. अली थिंक्स, आई विल बी लेफ्ट विद ज़ीरो चपाती इफ़ आई गिव दिस टू द पुअर मैन, बट आई नो अल्लाह इज़ द लविंग अल वदूद, ही विल गिव मी मोर बिकॉज ही लव्स मी अलॉट. लेकिन तभी अली को ख्याल आया कि अगर मैं ये एक चपाती इस गरीब आदमी को दे देता हूँ, यहाँ पे ये पुअर मैन है, उसने कहा कि अगर मैं ये एक चपाती इसको दे देता हूँ तो मेरे पास कुछ नहीं बचेगा, लेकिन मैं जानता हूँ कि अल्लाह अलवदूद है, अलवदूद, और वो मुझसे बहुत प्यार करता है और वो मुझे और देगा. डू यू हेल्प अदर्स? टेल योर पेरेंट्स एट योर होम. नाउ टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट ज़ीरो. सो स्टार्ट ज़ीरो विद मी. एंड हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू राइट ज़ीरो? फर्स्टली वी विल ड्रा अ सर्कल फ्रॉम दिस डॉट. Look here, this is the step 1. That means we have to move from this dot towards the direction of the arrow and then downwards like this and then upwards like this, and we will join 0. So it will become 0. Now we will trace 0 on these dots like this, moving downwards and making circle and then moving upwards like this. Once again, start your 0 from upper dot towards the lower dots and then complete the circle like this. So it will become 0. And what does 0 mean? 0 means nothing. It was 0 and 0 means nothing. Now we will move towards 1. Now we will learn about 1. What comes after 0? 1. What comes after 0? 1 comes after 0. And how we are going to write 1? It's so simple. Look here students. This is the step that we have to draw a straight line downwards like this. Slowly. And this. So it will become 1. And what is its formation style? We have to write 1 from upper dot towards the lower dots. So it will become 1. And now you can see the word Allah here. Can you relate 1 with Allah? We can relate it like Allah is 1. Allah is 1. Allah is 1. Allah loves us a lot. He has blessed us with parents, plants and food. अल्लाह हमसे बहुत प्यार करता है. अल्लाह ने हमें पेरेंट्स दिए, माँ बाप दिए, प्लांट्स दिए, पौधे आपके आसपास आपको कहीं भी नज़र आ सकते हैं, और खाने के लिए खुराक दी. Now there is an activity. Allah has made everything around us circle accordingly. Like there is written 1 star, so we have to circle only 1 star like this. This is 1 star. Now 1 tree. 1. This is 1 tree, and we have to circle it like this. Now 1 cat. This is cat, and I'm going to circle 1 cat only like this. Now on the next page, now mention the date here, and now we are going to write 2. Firstly we learned 0, then 1, and now we are going to learn about digit 2. Firstly, we will move towards a story which is about Ahmed, and in this story it is going to tell Ahmed that what is the sunnah of our holy prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear mother, why does my father wear only white colored clothes? Asked Ahmed. He wears white colored clothes because our beloved prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam liked to wear white colored clothes. Mother told Ahmed. Really, mother? Then I will also wear white colored clothes to follow my prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, said Ahmed. Now this one is Ahmed and he is asking to his mother. अहमद अपनी माँ से पूछ रहा है, अपनी अम्मी से पूछ रहा है कि क्यों उसके अब्बू हमेशा सफ़ेद रंग के कपड़े पहनते हैं। तो जिस पर उसकी अम्मी ने उसका जवाब दिया कि सफ़ेद रंग के कपड़े हमारे प्यारे नबी हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम पहना करते थे और उन्हें सफ़ेद रंग के कपड़े पसंद थे। तो अहमद ने अपनी अम्मी को कहा कि आज से वो भी सफ़ेद रंग के कपड़े पहनेगा और हमारे प्यारे नबी हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की सुन्नत को फॉलो करेगा। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू राइट 2 ऑन these dots and we have to move from this dot towards the direction of the arrows to complete 2. Firstly, we will draw a half curve like this and then we will move downwards slowly like this. And then we will draw a line like this, so it will become 2. What does it become? It will become 2. Now students, can you see a pencil in my hand? This is one pencil only. How many pencils are these? Only one pencil. But when I will bring another pencil and now we will count these pencils, so 1 and 2. How many pencils are these? 1, 2. These are 2 pencils. Now we will write 2 on these dots, moving downward like this and then a straight line like this. Again make a half curve, moving downwards and then draw a straight line, so it will become 2. Now there is an activity that how many white colors are there? Can you see white cloths here? 1 and 2. How many white cloths are there? 1 and 2. So we will trace 2 in this box like this. Likewise this you have to complete all your remaining work of 0, 1 and 2. This was all about today's working. Inshallah next lecture will be uploaded soon. Allah Hafiz, Fi Amanillah.